This is the Trade of the Week by Exness. My name is Stanislav Bernakov, Senior Trading Content Specialist here at Exness, and in today's video we're going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, the narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But first, let's see how the previous idea performed. There was a possible long position for Bitcoin with a target price of around $85,000. Bitcoin is traded slightly above the entry price, so the idea is still valid. But given the current market conditions, it might need more time to develop. Thus, from the last 50 ideas, we've brought 35 successful outcomes and 15 have not reached the projected targets. That means a rough 70% of a hit rate for published ideas. This is a hypothetical performance though, and don't forget that past returns don't guarantee to be repeated into the future. For this week, we are monitoring a potential long position for Linde plc stock, which can be traded in a form of CFD2. The price is testing the higher border of the triangle, positioned at the top of a massive range-bound 2-year long formation. Should the breakout be accepted, the price can move towards the 550 price area. What is the foundation for this idea? The industrial sector is lagging behind the tech sector in a recent recovery rally, but it might go up as the rotation for the stock market might begin. That might boost the Dow Jones index and give support for industrial stocks in the near future, including Linde plc. LIN is one of the most stable defensive stocks. The company pays predictable dividends, and in current market turmoil might look like a good option for investors, as many hedge funds and individual investors are paying close attention to dividend stocks rather than growth stocks. On the other hand, the company produces electrolyzers to produce green fuel. This niche is becoming particularly popular now as the oil crisis develops. Also, the company produces ultra-high purity gases for electronic chips production, and that is related to AI narrative. The company will post a quarterly earnings report on Friday, May the 1st. It's expected to post yet another positive earnings surprise, as it did during previous 4 quarters. Earnings were going up steadily, and the main reason preventing the stock from growth was a little bit of lagging revenue, which was slightly lower than estimates. But during the previous quarter, the situation has improved and the revenue has grown too. Thus, if both revenue and earnings beat expectations, the stock price may expand the upswing, reaching 550 price level. Which economic data traders will pay attention to this week? Other than the earnings report on Friday, traders will look forward to the Fed's decision on Wednesday and the press conference of Jerome Powell. So in summary then, the idea for this week is a long position for LIN stock with a target area of around $550. The price is testing the upper border of the triangle and may expand the breakout. The possible rotation to the industrial sector this week may boost the Dow Jones index and lift the related stocks, including LIN. The strong position of the company in the industry and its inclusion in the green fuel and chips production puts it on the radar of traders this week, especially considering the upcoming earnings report on Friday. Don't forget, this is not a signal, it's just the idea for a trade, it's not a guarantee of success. And always do your own research before making a trade, and remember to manage risk.